What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Good morning, good night, good afternoon, whatever you're doing. I love you.
What?
But nah, I don't. I want to say something else. Today I had to film the intro for this video. We all went to this car meet in a car warehouse. You want to say? Yeah, car warehouse. Yeah. It's pretty far. I met a couple people, such as souped up 350Z. If you guys don't know him, I'm gonna link his Instagram. I'm gonna link his TikTok in the description. He's a real cool guy, man. But you guys are gonna love the video. I love you guys. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. Watch my shorts. Share my shorts, guys. Share my shorts. We're almost to 300 subscribers, guys. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You know, you guys have been with me so hard. We're gonna get there. We're almost at 300, and let's just get there. 500 is 200 more away. Let's keep pushing it, guys. Soon, you know, I'll be able to help out my parents and get new cars. You know what I'm saying? To modify this car more, and we're gonna see how it goes. Well, I love you guys. Stay safe. Subscribe, like, watch this video.
Everybody now, let me see your hands up. Everybody now, let me see your hands up right now.
Oh yeah, I seen this dude at Sevens Day. Nice.
Crazy how we already wide-bodied that shit.
What's up, guys? Look at this boosted V18. Look at that turbo, guys. Look at that turbo. God dang. What y'all think about this? Y'all like this though? Y'all like the camber, bro? I don't know. I fuck with it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I fuck with it. Yeah. SIM1. Oof. I love my EM1. Oof. Got the valve cover in the back. This is tough. Slam the cord, the big brakes. Wild. This is wild.
Have fun with it.
Guys, I need me one of these. Got that half cage popping in the back. And it's manual. Can't go wrong with the manuals. Look at the meats. Look at the meats, guys. God damn, let's see. What side is he running? I don't see it. You guys see it? I don't see it. Today we're running without my girl, bro. She's not here today. She a little tired. She's still asleep. But I'm here. We thugging it out. It's alright though. We thugging it out. Look at this. I was talking to one of my friends. He said he actually tracks this car. This is not bad at all. Running Falcons too. Got the bucket seat and look at the little hat. I need to get me one of those. Cause my whole shift knob just be booming. Supra, can't go wrong with this. Cannot go wrong with this, bro, at all. Look at that. Oh my God. Only thing, guys, being my height, 6'2", 6'3", bro. It hurts, bro. I'm too tall for that car. Singer. Oof, that color just shines. Look at the flake on that. Look at that. Now that's what money look like. That's what motherfucking money look like, goddamn. This, he definitely slides this for sure. Ready, set, drift, yeah, he slides it. Ooh. Older M's, oh my God. Only thing I heard about these cars is like the valve issue. The valve issue. Actually, yeah, the valve train issue. And it's manual. Oh, you guys can't see, but there you go, it's manual. It's manual. Let's go around and see what's more. God, look at that dude's pipe. Whoa, pause on that.
What did he say?
Huge pause. AMG. Oof. And can't go wrong with the wagon. Oh God. This is tough. 30. Guys, look at this Miata. This track Miata, bro. Oh my God, guys, please, bro. Please, YouTube gotta go booming, bro. Help me, bro. Help me do this. Help me do this. Help me do this, YouTube. Come on. Come on. Help me do this right here. This motherfucker right here. He got money. This motherfucker got money. And it's the launch edition. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the mirror caps, bro. Look at the mirror. Stop focusing on my finger. Come on, iPhone. What you doing? What you doing, bro? FDs? Can't go wrong with an FD. Oh, man. Rotary. Apparently, one of my boys actually knows this guy. And he said he's real ported. Real ported. I think it's Bridgeport, actually. It might be Bridgeport, but I don't know. But it chops like a motherfucker, though. That's all I know. God damn. Let's check this interior out. Look at that thing. Ooh. That is tough. Ooh. Where? Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was dead ass talking to some dude about this, bro. Right, that's what I'm saying, right? Gotta clean y'all off right quick. Oh my God. Hell yes. Hell yes. All original too, bro. All original. Jesus Christ. Can't go wrong with the BBSs. Cannot. Those tips are... Right, that's what I'm saying, bro. Damn, bro. Look at the paint. That's a mutant too, bro. Woo. That's exactly what. Oh shit. Where he at? Oh no, that's a different person. Guys, I'm not that type of person, but is that a fucking Supra? And it's a target top. Oh my God. Look at this. And it's a fucking, excuse my language, target top, bro. Oh my, can't go wrong with this. Can't go wrong with this. But this, yeah, this is like 6 figures for sure, guys. Myself, bro. I'm looking at that shit myself. God damn, bro. You cannot go wrong with these things, bro. Yes. I was looking at that earlier. When you dipped, I was like, yo, where'd you go? Damn. And he got the comp seats too, bro. Yes. He cracked his windshield. If he got the car, he got the money for it. Well, guys, I'm back at home. Made it home nice and safely. I'm about to go eat because all I had for breakfast was a ginger ale, and that is not good. The meat turned out nice. It was beautiful, man. I met a couple people there. Shout out to my boy Colin, bro. He's a real good dude, bro. I'm glad he invited me to it. Also, shout out to this one YouTuber. I'm about to put him up on the screen right now.
Car Guy rule number 533, subsection P. If you're on a road trip and you have a passenger with you, that passenger has direct responsibilities. 1, they are to be the DJ and keep your head nodding throughout the duration of the trip. 2, they are to keep their eyes peeled out the windows and on the ways out for any police in the vicinity. And 3, they are to be ready at moment's notice to flip anybody off who cuts you off or does something rude on the roadway. If they fail to uphold their responsibilities, you are to drop them off and abandon them at the nearest rest stop. Failure to comply will result in a 8 1/5 month suspension of your Car Guy membership card. No excuses!
Yeah, he's a pretty cool guy. I'm not gonna lie. He's a real cool, down-to-earth guy. I would love to collab with him. Future, I might be foreshadowing. I don't know. We'll see. But, you know, he's a real cool guy. I love his Z, bro. And, me and him and this other guy, I was talking for hours. You know, he's a real cool guy. I'd definitely love to collab with him for sure. But let's get in the house and eat. What's up, guys? Me and my girlfriend here. I don't know where she went. She went back there, but the meat was great. It was beautiful. Me and my girl had just ate. I also met that. Once again, we just met that. I just met that cool ass guy off YouTube. Oof! Look at that. Oh, that's fire. But yeah, I'm just here posted up, taking pictures and videos. I don't know where this girl went. What are you doing back there? What? What are you doing back there?
Going up the steps.
The steps is. Bro, you see what I'm talking about? We gotta get out of here, bro.